Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Right on this episode we're gonna have a simple fascinator design which is beginner friendly. So our material needed includes the fishing line, the crinoline, headband, scissors, feathers, embellishment, our wire, our flower, thread and needle, our glue gun, and the glue. That is what we are going to use. We start by untying our crinoline, which is about 2 inches wide and 2 yards. Yeah, so all we have to do is to pass our thread and needle through to about 3/4 of a yard so that we use the remaining for another design. The crinoline comes in sizes. We have the bigger size and the one which is smaller than this, so you have to take note. After passing through to about 3/4 of a yard, we have to pull the thread together. We actually forming a one side goddess or ruffles, so we just have to pull to achieve that. So this is our result. This is what we got. So I'm looking at part of the cutting of the crinoline. We have to tie it up, because it comes off, the strip comes off, so you have to tie it up so that we have a good design. This is exactly what we are going to achieve. You need to secure it with a thread and needle so that it doesn't come out. So with the remaining cream, I decided to make a rose. You just make whatever you feel you are good with. This is a design, okay? So whatever you think is okay by you just try new things, to be your signature. So wherever you have a curtain of a crane, you should know that the strips will always come out. So all you have to do is to secure it well. You can even use a glue, to join it together so that it doesn't comes off. If not, everything is going to spoil. So just tie it very well and secure with a thread and needle so that you have it at your very best. We are done with styling our crinoline, so we just put it aside to proceed. We now have our millinery wire and we are going to wrap it up with a piece of thread. Okay, so you get your preferred color and then you wrap it up to the extreme end so that we will get our color of our design. any material which tries to play stubborn, you just have to glue it up to remain calm. So what we are doing is to wrap our bias or trimmings or however you call this to our millinery wire. So this is achieved by simply turning your millinery wire round, okay? This is simply for the style that I want. This is how to achieve it. So as we put our wire aside, we then wrap our headband with our trimming. Okay, so it's not necessarily wrapping it, but with this one I just want to get a color of my fascinator, so I just decided to wrap it up with the same color. We are almost done, so the next step is to attach our crane to our headband and then embellish to our preferred style. We're gonna secure both with a fishing line to make it neat. For every design, okay, you should move from the basics to your own art or your own design. So probably I just thought of passing this crane through to the millinery wire. So with the size of the crane, you can go for the 0.5 inches or better still use the 2 inches, but then you have to iron to get the smaller. You have to be careful passing it through the crane because it has its form as a net, and when you are not careful, the strips might come out. This is what I achieved, and this can be in your own way or your own style. Creativity at its very best. So you got to create something, man. So the next thing is to attach it to our crane. We then attach our feathers and then our rows. There'll be part of a fascinator we get loose things, so you have to embellish that part so that it doesn't show, or you can even take it out using a needle. It depends on how it gets stuck on the fascinator. The embellishment or the end is very important. So what you are doing now is to cover that part with a piece of fabric, so you can accessorize it in any style of preference. You just have to make the thing look nice with your very good color combination and a very neat work done, and trust me, you are good to go. I hope you enjoyed with me on this tutorial, and you'll be coming back for more videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe as I give you more interesting updates. Thank you.